Hello everyone, this is a little tutorial to show you how you can see as many people as you can on your screen in what is known as a tiled view. So when you are in a Google Meet, you'll see these buttons at the very bottom. You need to click the three dots for more options. From here, you come out to change layout. Off of change layout, you want to click tiled. Now this will automatically come up to tiled every time you open up a Google Meet. What you'll have to do every time, however, is use this slider. So the default is for 16 people, but a lot of our classes are more than 16 people. So whenever I start a meeting, I like to slide this over to 49, so it's at its max. So then this way, I am able to see everyone that's in my class. Then when I click X, I will now be able to see everyone in a tiled view, and that will allow me to see everyone who is in my class. I hope this helps.